The Becoming a Mother course will guide you through decision-making topics related to pregnancy, birth, and the newborn phase. The first 3 weeks of the self-guided course address mindset and fears surrounding birth and resources to help you feel confident as you prepare for birth and baby. We dive into assembling your dream team and budgeting related to your unique needs. And finally, we cover birth preparation, what classes to take, birth preferences, and top labor tips from an expert birth doula and certified birth coach. Consider us your pregnancy and newborn guides. We know that no birth or baby are the same.
The last half of the course, we focus on postpartum aspects, from parenting styles and communication to newborn care and sleep. It's everything I wish someone would have told me when I was pregnant. How do you communicate your needs and expectations with your partner and your well-meaning friends and family members? What do those first 6 weeks postpartum look like? What if breastfeeding doesn't go as planned? What other feeding options are there? What can you expect with body changes and emotions after birth? How do you know what your baby needs when they cry? What are some healthy sleep habits you can implement right away?
We cover all the big topics so you can plan, prepare, and feel confident bringing your baby home. We surround you with a community of experts and supportive mothers so you don't feel like you're in this alone. We've got you, and you've got this.